Good morning to all. I am Rajitha, working as an Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to see about the subject professional ethics. Let's move on to the subtopic that is employee rights. Employee rights are a critical aspect of professional ethics, forming the foundation for maintaining a respectful, fair, and ethical work environment. These rights serve to ensure that employees are treated justly, fairly, and with dignity while fulfilling their responsibility in the workplace. In a world where corporate interest and individual welfare must be balanced, employee rights in professional ethics address both legal and moral obligations, protecting workers against exploitation, discrimination, and unethical practices. As business evolve, understanding and upholding these rights has become even more vital, ensuring that organizations contribute to the well-being of their employee while maintaining ethical standard in business operations. Basic rights of employee. At the core of employee rights in professional ethics lies a set of basic rights that every employee is entitled to, irrespective of their role or position in the organization. These include the right to fair treatment, the right to work in a safe environment, the right to privacy, and the right to be free from discrimination. Employees have the right to work without fear of harassment, bullying, or intimidation. They are entitled to compensation that reflects the work they perform, and they have the right to be informed about workplace policies and decisions that may affect them. The right to fair treatment ensure that every employee, regardless of their background, gender, race, age, or religion, is treated equally in terms of opportunities, promotions, and job security. Organizations that respect these rights foster inclusive cultures where employees feel valued and respected. Meanwhile, safety in the workplace is crucial. Employees have the right to work in environment that do not expose them to physical, psychological, or emotional harm. Adherence to health and safety standard and laws is not only a legal requirement but a moral one as well. Right to equal opportunity. One of the most significant ethical issues in professional ethics is ensuring equal opportunity for all employees. This right is in anti discrimination laws in many countries and is a fundamental aspect of modern professional ethics. Equal opportunity entails providing all employees with the same access to join opportunities, promotions, training, and compensation, regardless of their sex, race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, or disabilities. Organizations are required to implement policies that prohibit discriminatory practice and actively promote diversity and inclusion. For instance, recruitment process should be free from bias and performance appraisals, must be based on objective criteria rather than personal preference or prejudice. Equal opportunity in the workplace contribute to a more harmless environment, boost morale, and leads to a more productive workforce. Employee privacy is an essential consideration in professional ethics. The increasing use of technology and surveillance tools in the workplace, such as emails, monitoring software, and security cameras, has raised concern about employee privacy. Employees have a right to expect that their personal information, including health records, financial details, and other sensitive data, will be kept confidential. Employers must balance the right to monitor employees' performance and safeguard company interest with the employees' right to privacy. Intrusive surveillance, unwarranted searches, or unauthorized access to personal data can be ethical standard and violate employee rights. Establishing clear guidelines and obtaining consent for data collection or ethical practice that organization can use to protect employees' privacy while still ensuring workplace security and efficiency. In professional ethics, employees also have the right to freedom of speech and expression within certain bounds. This right allows employee to voice concerns, offer suggestions, or express opinion. Particularly, when it comes to issues of workplace safety, management practice, or corporate policies, encouraging open communication foster a transparent work culture, build trust between employee and employees, and can lead to positive change within the organization. However, freedom of speech is not absolute in in all cases, employee must be mindful of the organization rules and the broader societal context in which they work. For example, public criticism of the company that could harm its reputation or violate confidentiality agreements may not be protected. Employees should create channels for employee to voice their concern without fear or such as anonymous reporting system, whistleblower protection, or open door policies. Right to fair compensation and benefits, employee rights within professional ethics. Employee have the right to receive wages that reflect the work they perform and are with their experience, skills, and the market value for their role. Wage discrimination, whether based on gender, ethnicity, or other non performance related factor, is not only unethical but often illegal. In addition to salary, employees are entitled to receive benefits such as issue insurance, retirement saving plans, and paid time off as part of their employment package. These benefits contribute to the overall well-being of employee and are essential for their long-term financial stability and health. Ethical organization ensure that compensation and benefits are competitive and reflect the contribution of their employee while also complying with national and regional labor laws. Right to save working conditions. Employee safety is paramount in professional ethics. Every employee has the right to work in an environment free from hazard that could cause physical or mental harm. Employees are obligated to provide the necessary resource, training, and safety measures to mitigate risk in the workplace. This includes adhering to regulations related to workplace safety, conducting regular safety audits, and ensuring that employees are well informed about safety procedures. Whether the risk are physical, such as those found in construction, manufacturing, or healthcare, or psychological, such as stress, harassment, or burnout, organization must take proactive steps to ensure the well-being of their workspace. Ethical employees do not tolerate unsafe working conditions and make continuous efforts to enhance the safety standard of the workplace. Employee rights in professional ethics are essential for maintaining a positive and productive work environment. Organization must respect and protect these rights, which encompasses fairness, safety, privacy, compensation, and the ability to voice concern without fear or retaliation. By adhering to ethical principles, employees foster trust, loyalty, and satisfaction among their employees, which in turn contribute to the long-term success of the organization. Employees who feel valued and respected are more likely to be engaged and motivated, leading to higher levels of productivity, innovation, and overall success. Upholding employee rights is not just a legal obligation, it is a fundamental aspect of corporate social responsibility and ethical business practice. Thank you.